So first thing we will understand what is bash. Bash is a shell program. A shell helps you to talk your computers using text commands. Bash is the most common shell used on Linux and macOS system. It let you type commands and run them easily. It's a powerful and help users save time by writing scripts. To check if your system has bash, so open terminal and type. So how you can open the terminal? Just you can search here terminal, okay, and it will open here. And here you can type bash space dash dash version. So if you see here the version number, bash is ready to use. Otherwise, you can download this. So how to download this? You can just open your web browser and type here git version, git download. Okay, first link you can see here the git install for window. So you can just click here the git install. Here the multiple options are there for window, macOS, Linux, build from source. So I have window, so I can use the window. Otherwise you can download for the macOS also. So for window, you can just click on this git window setup. So git for windows and this setup file. For Mac, same thing you can download from like this. Okay, you have to run this command in your terminal, and you can download this. For Mac OS, you can just run this in your terminal, and it will install you Bash in your system. So for Windows, I have downloaded a setup box. I will go to the downloads, and you can read these licenses, or simply scroll down and click on this where you want to install. And let me select this. I will select the different directory. If you do not want to select any directory, then you can just leave this, and just next. And in my case already it's installed, that's why it is asking to me, but in your case it won't ask directly, it will show you the install button. Okay, once it's installed, you can directly launch this, or otherwise you can click on the finish. Okay, close this. And how you can see, you can go to the any computer, you can go to anywhere and directly here the right click on this, and click on the show more options. Here you can see open git UI here and open git bash is here. So just click on the open git bash here, and just you can type here now git version, sorry, a bash version. So let me type this bash space dash dash version. So now the version is 5.2.37. This is the my git bash version. Okay. Now how to write the command using the git bash. So let me close this. I will what I will do. I will go to the any directory, any drive, and I will create a new folder for bash. Okay, and here I will create a file. So file, maybe I can create anything, but simply I will give here the name hello dot sh. Hello dot sh. Dot sh is the extension of this file, that is for the shell command. Okay, I will change this, and I will open this in the any code editor. I have the Sublime Text VS Code, or if you don't have the any editor, then you can open into the Notepad also. So let me open this file. It will ask me to open this file. So simply what I will choose the Notepad for first time. So let me open this in the Notepad, and here I have to type some commands. So first command will be default. to tells the computer to use the bash. Okay, so simply here you can write the hash and this marks bash and slash, and here you can type the bash. Okay, bin bash actually. This is the default line. Every time you have to write this, every new file you have to type this at the first at the top. So this first line tells the computer to use the bash. Okay, from the next line you can write your code. So here for the right code, here I will type the echo is telling to the computer to print, means it will just print your words. So echo hello world. Okay, and you can save this directly. You can click on the file and you can save this. So this file will be saved. Now here we can do the same thing, so more options, and I will open the git bash here. Okay, and let me increase this and maximize this window, and here I will type bash hello.sh, and I will just click on the enter. It will give you the output hello what we have written here, hello world. Okay, now we'll see how to make the variables in the bash. Okay, so for the making variables you can go to the editor, and here just will type something, some variable like name. I will type here name equal to, don't give here any space, name equal to, and here you can give any name, like I will give my name Vivek. Okay, and just in the double inverted comma, and instead of giving this directly a string, you can give your name with the because you are using here the variable name, so to print the variables you can use here the dollar sign and your variable name. So my variable name is name, so just I will give here the name. I have stored the in name a value is Vivek. Okay, and echo dollar is for the I'm printing the variable name, so I have given here dollar, and variable name is name. Okay, and let me rerun this file once again. So here you can see what I have given a value in a variable, this is printing here. Similar, if I want, like here I want to like hello Vivek. Okay, so just you can use here the double inverted comma. Okay, and here you can type hello comma name. Okay, and rerun this file once again. Okay, so here it is saying the hello Vivek. If I will remove the comma, it will remove the comma as well. So like this, let me rerun this file one again. Okay, so it is showing me here the hello Vivek. So simply you can write this. Okay, next thing what we will see here. Okay, so some common commands are there for the ls is, it will show you the list of files, means how many files we have in the this folder. So simply if I will type here the ls, it will show me the files. So I have the hello.sh, only one file, so it is showing me the this hello.sh in this directory. Okay, so similar way we will see here the list for ls is for list. Okay, next we'll see the cd is for change folder. Okay, next we'll see the pwd is for show current folders. So current folder path. Okay, and echo already we have we seen, right? And this is for the display text. Okay, and the next thing For the basic command, you can see you can use here mkdir. Okay, mkdir is for the make a new directory, or folder. Let me give you the folder once. Folder. Okay. So these command help you to move and see the files in your terminal. Okay. So similar like we can make here the decision also in this. Okay, and we can write a functions here. We can do the lots of things like here the ls is there. So already we see the ls means it will show the list. Okay, so similar way, let me cut this file, and if I will give the cd here. Okay, so cd cd means it will change the directory. Okay, let me close this and I will open the bash here. Okay, so cd and mkdir, I have already show you echo. You are already using this echo for the display text. So pwd. So let me use here the pwd. So pwd, if I'm using this, so it is showing the current directory d bash, and this is the my current directory. Okay, and if I will use the mkdir, and here I will give some folders name for the test. Okay, so mkdir test, and you can see here the ls. So it is showing here the hello.sh now, and here it is giving the text as a directory. So first ls we run here, and it is showing me the hello.sh only, because we have created only one file. Now we have created here one file and one directory. So it is showing me when I'm using the ls command, then it is showing the hello.sh and this directory text. Okay, if you go to the directory here, you can see text directory is also there. Now if I want to move into text directory, so we can use here the cd and just use the text. Okay, so now we can see the current directory path is the d bash, and this is the directory. If you use here the ls, then it is nothing is showing here, because in the text directory nothing is there. There is no any file or folder. That's why it is showing. If you want to go back, so you can use the cd space dot slash. If you are using the dot slash, means it is coming to the one level up. So here d bash text is there. So if you are using the slash, then it is coming to the out of this text, and it is now d dot bash in this directory currently. Okay, so next thing we'll use the what is the decision making. Okay, we'll create the functions in upcoming video. Today we learn what is the bash, how to check the bash, what is the first script, usage of variables, and basic commands. Great. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. Press the bell icon for the more coding tutorials.